'cause I'm not just a pretty girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, we're gonna do an unboxing video. Just gonna share to you guys what I got from ULTA. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you what the things I got. I didn't get a lot of things, but these are all new to me. These are all new stuff to me. So this is the box right here. I already opened it because I am super excited and I didn't expect this thing to came in today. So I was like, why is it early? And then when I receive it, it's a little bit late. So I was like, did they give me the right order? So I open it to check if it's complete. Yes, it is complete guys. Let's start with this. This is the Loreal mascara. This is the color black, number 360. I grabbed this one because this one has a lot of good reviews, you guys. I'm gonna open it and let's try it. I have mascara on, same brand Loreal also, but I'm just gonna try this out here because this is like for volume. Yeah, the mascara seems dry so fast, so I think you need to be quick when applying this one. So the next one is brow pencil from Benefit. So I haven't tried this one yet. So this is the shade number 4. Let's open it. I'm gonna show it to you what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and yeah, it comes with a spoolie, and the other side is okay. There you go. Let me swatch it for you guys. I hope this is my shade. This is the number 4, so I think it's just right for me. Let me try it. Ooh, look at that. Feel like it's life, you guys. Seems like the formula is really good though. The next one is gonna be this. This is the Gimme brow. It's like a mascara for your brows. I'm gonna open it again and let me try this. Look at that, it's cute, super cute. I got the number 5. Try this. Oh my god, look at how cute is that. It's super cute. It's so little. See? I'm gonna try it now. The formula is really good, as you can see. I think I'm gonna like this. This one is for free. So another Benefit product, and this is the What's Up Benefit product, soft focus highlighter for face. So yeah, this is free. I didn't order this one. Super cute. Ooh, look at that. This is a good sample size. Not so much shimmer. It's not so shimmery. Now let's proceed. Bag right here. These are all new to me also. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I got this Revolution concealer. So yeah, by Makeup Revolution. C6.5. This is the NYX Do Me Up. You can use this as a primer or like a pre-base. So like if you have like a dry skin, then you can apply this first. Read a lot of good reviews also of this one, so that's why I'm trying this out. It's a good amount. Butter Gloss by NYX. I ordered this on purpose, like the NYX Dewy and this lip gloss, because I need to spend $20 on NYX so that I can get the free pouch having a promo. There you go. Bright pink sugar cookie. Okay, the next one is, this is also a NYX product, Watermelon Tuffy. Let me try it though on my lips. I know I have a lipstick already, but it's okay. Smells good. Smells like a watermelon. It has a thicker formula. It's not bad. That's it for the products that I bought or I paid for. And now let's open the free stuff that they sent me. So, here you go guys. pouch makeup. You can put this one around your waist. It has 2 products inside, also for free. Let's see what's inside. A primer base, Pore Filler Primer by NYX. The other one is a matte finish setting spray. It's a little bottle, but it's okay. So this is good because I have the dewy finish also. So I've been loving this dewy finish spray from NYX. This is the normal size and this is the travel size that they sent me. It's good to have this because at least I'm gonna be able to try this out because this is matte. I don't know, let's see. Maybe I'm gonna like the matte finish, we never know. That's cool. So it's a bit big on me, guys. See, falling off. I have a small waist. See, I cannot adjust it anymore. This big. Gonna fall. Yeah, but it's cute though. I like it. There you go. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm just gonna put down the prices of this product in the description box below, so let me know if you have any question or you know what do you think of these products that I got, which one is your favorite. So let me know, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.